Here at Orlando Math Circle, we use the Libib Library to access many online texts. To log in, click Patron Login on the top right corner and enter the student OMC email and password. If you do not have your password, click Need Password and then enter the student's OMC email. Once you have your password, click Login. From here, you can access the online library to check out any title that you may want. For example, for any book that you may want to access, you can click the book and then click the checkout button right here. You select the copy and it is in the Your Items section. After that, you can press the Complete button and your items have been processed. That is how to use the Libib library in Orlando Math. After you check out a book, you can find your checked out books in the active section of the website.